Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Andre Craft Show. For today's video, I will share with you how to make this beautiful, very simple stitch. With this stitch, you can make a lot of things like blankets or scarf if you want. And it's very easy to make. It's a link double crochet, so it's not a normal double crochet. So trust the process and your work will look like this. All you have to do is you just have to repeat one stitch pattern. Now grab your yarn and hook size, and without further ado, let's start. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and you can chain as many as you want until you reach the desired length that you want with whatever you are working. It's either blankets or a shawl or scarf. So once you have enough chain, we'll start our first row. So do as follows. Insert your hook in that second stitch from the hook, and now you have 2 loops on the hook, and insert again one more time in the next stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now insert your hook in this loop here, and now insert again your hook in the next stitch. So now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat that pattern until you reach in the starting point, and that's it. I'm just gonna repeat it again and again until you get the process. There might be another name for this kind of stitch, but it looks like you're just making a double crochet, but it's linked together, so we'll just call it a link double crochet. So now I'm in my last stitch. Your work should look like this. Now turning the work for the second row, this is what you're gonna do. Just chain 2, insert your hook in that second chain or second stitch. Now slightly turn your work and insert your hook in that first double crochet from the previous row. So make sure you have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, just like what we did in the first row. This is really the perfect stitch for all the beginners, even you just start or planning to start right now. So feel free to share this video to your loved ones, your friends who love crocheting or who want to learn more about crochet. Start with simple stitches. Let me show you my current work using this stitch, and yes, this is how it looks like. Look at that. Especially when you use a variegated yarn, it will be more beautiful, like it will emphasize the texture of the stitch. So now I'm just gonna repeat what I'm doing just in case it wasn't clear with the white yarn. remember how you start with each row. So this is how you start. Chain 2, insert your hook in that second chain, and then insert one more time in the double crochet from that previous row. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a nice day and God bless us all. Bye.